Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a common Python error that can trip up beginners, the syntax error, invalid decimal literal. It's a tricky one, but easily fixed once you understand the cause. Let's break down why this error happens and how to resolve it. So, what exactly is a syntax error, invalid decimal literal? This error pops up when Python encounters a number that it can't interpret as a valid decimal. This usually happens when you accidentally include leading zeros in a decimal number, forget the decimal point when using fractional values, or try to use non-numeric characters within your number. Python has very specific rules about how numbers should be written. Leading zeros are a common culprit. For example, writing 0123 will throw this error. Python interprets numbers starting with 0 as octal numbers, base 8. If the digits aren't valid in octal, only digits 0 to 7 are allowed, you'll get the error. To fix this, just remove the leading 0, making it 123. Another reason for this error is forgetting the decimal point. If you intend a number to be a float, you need to include the decimal point. So, instead of writing 5, you should write 5.0 or 5 to ensure Python recognizes it as a floating point number. Without the point, the interpreter might confuse what you're trying to do. Another common cause is inserting non-numeric characters within a number. Python expects numbers to contain only digits, a decimal point, if it's a float, and optionally a plus or minus sign at the beginning. Characters like commas or spaces within a number will cause the invalid decimal literal error. For example, writing 1000 instead of 1000 will result in this error. Similarly, spaces, e.g. 100, are not allowed. The fix is straightforward: remove the extra characters to leave just the correct numerical representation. Let's look at some practical examples. If you see the line x equals 07, the error will occur because 7 is not a valid digit in octal. Change this to x equals 7. If you want the octal representation, you need to specify that explicitly using the correct format. Another example, price equals 1.2.3, also brings up the same error. There should only be a single decimal point. The correct code should be price equals 1.23. If you get quantity equals 10, the error highlights the space within the numeric value. Fix this to quantity equals 10. Double check for similar accidental insertions in your code. In summary, the syntax error, invalid decimal literal error, arises from writing numbers in a way that Python can't understand. Avoid leading zeros unless working with specific number formats like octal or hexadecimal, and use the appropriate prefixes like 0 for octal. Always include a decimal point if you want a floating point number, even if the fractional part is 0. Ensure that your numbers only contain valid numeric characters. By keeping these points in mind, you can easily avoid this frustrating error and write clean, error-free Python code. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting us through donations or by checking out our other videos. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let us know in the comments if there are other Python errors you'd like us to cover.